We use technology every day to make our lives easier, from small problems, outages, and repairs that need to be done right away to big problems that could kill you. But what kinds of tools are helpful when you get into a tough situation? Hello, and welcome to the channel Tech Me Over. This video is about 10 top tech life-saving gadgets you must have. So stay tuned for more. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Without much delay, let's get started. 1. Life straw. You never know when you'll find yourself thirsty and gasping. You might want to save this one for an emergency, as it might help you refill your thirst even from a dirty river. The life straw is a tool that no adventurer should be without. It doesn't use chemicals, batteries, or electricity, and has no moving parts. The life straw is a small, portable system for purifying water that lets you drink straight from streams, lakes, or any other container. It gets rid of almost all bacteria and protozoa in water, like E. coli and Salmonella, as well as Giardia and Cryptosporidium. 2. Lifesaver. Do you like to camp a lot? If so, the next product we have is just right for you. Lifesaver is a useful tool. With it, you can charge your phone at any time, indoors or out, with a simple, ergonomic motion that even a child can learn. Using the simple twirling motion of a jump rope, you can make a quick charge of 25 mWh in just 15 minutes. This is enough to turn on a dead phone. The optional snap-in UV water uses germ-killing ultraviolet light to clean water that is unsafe because of microorganisms. To clean water, just put it in and gently spin it around for 3 minutes. You will have better water to drink. It also has a second snap-in attachment that can be used to start a fire in the wind or rain by pressing a button. A panic button also turns on a blinding strobe and an emergency siren to scare off the animal or human predators and alert rescuers. And this will cost you only $79. 3. Off-grid solar backpack. An excellent backpack for photographers, travelers, and people who like to go on adventures every day. As long as there is light, your gadgets will work with the voltaic off-grid solar-powered backpack. Just let the sun charge your solar battery and use the USB port to keep your devices always charged. The backpack's fabric makes it waterproof, light, and resistant to UV rays. The bag has a padded pocket for a laptop, a large main storage area, and a lot of easy-to-reach places to put cables, adapters, and tablets. It weighs a total of 2.05 kilograms with the battery and solar panels included. The battery is also protected against short circuits, overcharging, over-discharging, overcurrent, and overheating. To charge a phone, the backpack needs to be in the sun for 3 hours, a DSLR for 4.5 hours, and a tablet for 6 to 11 hours. It costs $199, and you can get it in 3 different colors. 4. Rescue Me Car Escape Tool. Do you know about 500 people die every year in the US because they get stuck in a car? The Rescue Me is one of the easiest ways to stay safe in a car. Rescue Me is a car escape tool you can keep on your keychain to keep you safe on the road. During an accident, this tool, which has a trademark and a patent, breaks side windows and cuts safety belts. It is the most affordable and trustworthy car escape tool because it is small, light, and strong. If the seat belt is in the way, just hook the blade over the belt and cut it across. To break the window, press the black head of the tool against the corner of the window. This will release the spring-loaded spike and break the glass. This amazing tool comes in 9 different colors and combo packs that start at $9.95. 5. Extractor Pump Kit. What would you do if you were bitten by poisonous insects in the jungle? Don't worry, the next product on our list will help you from this situation. Yes, we are talking about the extractor pump. It can remove venom and poison from bites and stings from snakes, bees, wasps, mosquitoes, and more. The extractor pump is small, light, and can be used more than once. Place it on the spot where you were bitten and pull the trigger. It will pick up the poison. It only costs $15. Before jumping into our next product, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and press the bell icon for more videos. 6. Sabre Red Pepper Spray. Next on our list is a must-have tool, especially for ladies. Use the Sabre Red Pepper Spray, which is the strongest single-ingredient pepper spray on the market, to keep yourself safe. It has the same level of security as the police. It has UV marking dye in it to help police figure out who the suspect is. This pepper spray keychain with quick release is the most popular Sabre style. It is a small but powerful 0.54-ounce container that shoots out a ballistic stream to cut down on wind blowback. The intuitive grip design lets you aim better and get your hand in the right position just by touching it. Attach it to your keychain to make it possible. 7. Survivor Plus. Because there aren't enough lifeboats on board, numerous horrible things can occur while sailing in the ocean. But don't be afraid, we have a way out of this. The Survivor Plus vest and life raft have hydrostatic triggers that make them automatically inflate when they get wet. As you can see, the vest quickly fills with air, floating the person high in the water. The raft stays attached to the swimmer, and the bottom inflates itself in a few seconds. The swimmer then needs only to get on the raft and go into the flat enclosure on the deck. Once they are in, a pull cord inside the enclosure will blow up the canopy. With a strobe light and ballast bags, the raft lets a swimmer get out of the water quickly and protects against exposure and sea spray, giving users a survival window. 8. LifeVac Choking Rescue Device Home Kit. Choking is the most common way for children and elderly people over 65 to die by accident. One child dies of choking every 5 days. To solve this problem, we suggest our next product, LifeVac, a choking rescue device home kit. A unique valve is incorporated into the LifeVac design to stop any air from escaping through the mask. This valve, which has a proprietary design, stops air from forcing food or other things below. To dislodge the stuck food or object, it induces a one-way suction. 9. Camp Stove BioLite. Next on our list is a Camp Stove BioLite. The BioLite wood-burning camp stove is like a lightweight backpack with an off-grid charger in one. The camp stove is a great choice for both a camping trip and an emergency kit. It uses patented thermoelectric technology to make electricity that can be used to charge LED lights, cell phones, and other personal devices. It can cook you a meal while charging your device. With just wood, the camp stove makes a campfire that doesn't make smoke and can heat food and boil water in minutes. In particular, the scalloped pot stand puts pots and pans in a triangular shape to make a stable cooking surface and keep flames away from the power pack. Our last product on the list is 10. Life-Saving Sponge. Sponge? Yes, you heard it right. Fox News says that this sponge can make the difference between life and death. The FDA gave the green light for the technology to be used in the US. Before that, the American military had full control over it. How does it work? Well, it's straightforward. Just put the sponge in wounds and victims and patients won't bleed to death. And this concludes Tech Me Over's 10 top tech life-saving gadgets you must have. Please let us know in the comments section which gadgets you liked the most. Thanks for watching.